And I can't believe I actually got on the first try. Oh, the card. Got the card. So here's his card. His card is right here. He has 50 power, 50 shield, 170 speed, and 90 luck. That's his luck.
Oh.
And then here's his luck card.
What is this?
I might tell you that
This is not the Joker.
not endless.
This is not Harley Quinn.
And this is the other thing. I'm not showing you the code. Not showing you the code.
Yeah. Honey, you picked up the wrong poster.
No wonder I didn't say how to plan. And I guess that's it. Well, bye, QC.